Hey guys, Tanya here. Hope everyone's doing well. Today I have a bunch of leftovers and I'm gonna make a brunch with it. Over the weekend, hubby made some sausage. This is pork sausage. Left a few, there's a few left. I boiled some eggs and it's been a couple of days. I have an avocado that's ripe. And then for we had a sandwich, made sandwiches, and so I have like some sliced tomatoes and onions, and I have some salsa. So let's see what we can do. I think I'm going to break this sausage up, and I'm doing it on the griddle here. I'll just wipe it down. I'm going to take 2 of these sausages, make a little scramble, and I sprayed down this griddle. And let's see, I'm going to slice up this egg. I'll heat that up here too. I'll just do a half, 1 1/2 eggs. Spray it down. Break these down a little more. This is just for me. My hands are clean. I wash my hands too much. That's why they're always so dry looking. I don't think I have any sebaceous glands left in them. Okay, so I'm gonna let that heat up and we're gonna pull together a nice little brunch. It's already been cooked. We didn't have to mess up a lot of dishes. Here I go washing my hands again. Gotta wash my hands before I hit the camera. I even sanitized my phone. Okay, everything's warmed up nicely. I'm gonna put the eggs in a bowl here. These are boiled eggs. Okay, let's see. I'm gonna put some of the sausage. Oh, guess what? I forgot the cheese. Let me find some cheese. We have some grated cheese, but I don't want to open up a new pack when I have this bar cheese already opened. Let's see. Let me use this grater here. I never used it before because I like that my heavy duty grater. Okay, this will get the job done in a pinch. This is a pinch. Okay. Got some cheese. I'm gonna throw some tomatoes in here. Chiffonade a little. That I had 1 little piece of lettuce, so we're going to put that. Put these red onions in here. And I sliced up the avocado. One of them was so bad I had to Had to slice open another one. I'm using, because my avocados were so small, I'm going to use the entire avocado. Let me cut this piece off. Okay, so I'm going to use 2 tablespoons of salsa. And we're going to put the rest of that sausage. It's kind of crispy. Put a little more cheese on here. Man, this breakfast scramble would have set us back a lot of money. Not a lot, but you know, had all the ingredients here at home. And then guess what? I got a scallion here. I'm gonna use the whole thing. I'm using, I have, this is done on a whim. I'm using my worst knife and that grater. And guess what? I want a little bit more salsa on top here. I don't have any sour cream. My cheese is going to be my dairy fat. Okay, and so that is my breakfast burrito from leftovers. Let me see how I like it. I want to get that egg in here. I highly recommend this, guys. Yes, ma'am. This will last me all day. I mean, I'll eat this. I'll be good all day long. Thanks for stopping by, guys.